Let's check on the chicken to see if they're producing any eggs, doing their duty. Oh, you guys are just gonna walk around doing nothing? Oh, here's one laying an egg down here. And what's going on here? It's hiding underneath here. Okay, two hen. How many eggs? Wow, I'll just look away and he just pooped out the egg so fast. Still nice and warm too. Oh, they're gonna brew. Okay. Okay, you got the egg? Okay. No egg? Oh, maybe that was an egg. With all those organic eggs waiting to be cooked, what better way to prepare an excellent and healthy breakfast than with a awesome frying pan? Let me introduce to you the Taste Plus 3-section egg frying pan. Make cooking simple. Oh wow, check out this cool design. Alright, so once you have everything in box, it looks like it comes with a user's manual. Make sure you reference that. And also how to care for the product. Installation is very simple. I'm pretty sure I removed this screw right here with a Phillips head wrench. Okay. And then we are going to insert handle through here. And the screw goes underneath. Be careful, there's a little retention washer that's built in. Okay, so we're gonna screw that in. As you can see, the shape of this frying pan is very unique. It is very cute right off the bat. I know you guys are wondering what's the material. So this is made of aluminum alloy right here. All right. Okay. There are 3 separate compartments. 2 for egg frying, perfect for frying egg, and there are any hidden edges where it's hard to wash, and one that you can use to cook steak, cook vegetables, make a sandwich. It's got these indentations that gives you that kind of like a charbroiled grill mark, like if you take it to the barbecue grill. Okay, and there's this thing sticking out. This is where you put this spatula, see, to go along with the handle. And the handle is kind of made of a heat-proof material. Feels like rubber, hard rubber. So this is how you would use this. Now, I just need to think about what I'm going to prepare for breakfast. So the Taste Plus technology features non-stick coating, and it's designed to work with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction stovetops. So basically covering all types of stovetops. See that? It's got little like circle indentations. I think that's to give that uniform cooking surface. And this is a capacity of 3 cups. You do the measurement for the volumes for all 3 of those compartments. And it weighs about 1.4 pounds. Alright, we are preparing to use this frying pan. This is a convection oven, okay? Looks like we are gonna cook up some organic eggs from our own chicken. And looks like we are gonna also pan fry some delicious shrimp. Let's let that heat up. So today we are using some peanut oil. Alright, so cracking 2 egg, organic egg. Look at that organic egg, see? You see how orange it is in the middle? Some people with skills can crack it just with one crack, okay? Okay, we're gonna put some shrimp. And we're gonna adding some vegetables, carrot, make it look nice. Look at this sizzle. Oh, and of course, how about some celery? Kind of making like a grill, stir fry. Gotta have our protein and our vegetables, right? Okay, Mom. Time to put some salt, a little bit of salt for the taste. Okay. And then use the built-in spatula. Look at how perfect and round the eggs are.
Oh, nice.
Look at that. Sunny side up eggs. Okay, Mom. Yeah. Use a spatula. Flip over the shrimp. Ooh, that looks good. Smelling good. Okay, Mom. I think the eggs are done. Let's go ahead and plate that. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's not sticking too. See?
Beautiful.
Yeah. So the eggs are done. We decided to put some more celery right here. Gotta have can't get enough vegetables. Okay, Mom, it's done. Yeah, I'm so hungry, Mom. Smells so good. Plate that real good. Oh, wow, Mom, that looks amazing. Let's go ahead and try this. Is this like a pre-dinner snack? Okay, Mom, let's try the egg. You did a good job. Try the other egg.
I like a pan.
Mmm. Mmm. Delicious. Celery.
Very good.
Look at this shrimp. Wow. Mmm, so good. Yeah, Mom. Got into the organic egg. It's delicious. You did an excellent job, Mom. So as you can see, this is a cute little frying pan that you can make stir fry, makes a perfect egg, and it makes the perfect breakfast too. How do you like it, Mom?
Yeah, I like it. I want to the big round bowl.
My mom, by just saying, she wants a bigger version of this so she can prepare more food for like a party.
Thank you.
Mom recommended. Go check it out. That's the Taste Plus 3-section egg frying pan.
Very beautiful.
Mom recommended too.